Hey guys, Trent here with 4x4WORKS. Today I'm really excited about being in the shop because we've got our good buddy Caleb's Grand Cherokee in, and this thing is a beast. This thing's got all kinds of super sweet suspension upgrades. It sits on 35s. It's got all kinds of room for flex, but it's got a little bit to be desired in the gear situation, so he asked us if we would come on in and bust into his diffs and re-gear him so he gets a little bit more power. That's what we're doing right now. The old gear set up here, getting the new gear set up, unpackaged, and now full Mr. Caleb show. We got a new pinion gear. I know there's a ring gear in there somewhere. New bearings. Rear. Look at the rear. Oh yeah. That's the kind of shaft that gets you excited. Alright, we just got the gears pulled out. You can see our pinion gears just about ready to come out now. We got our carrier, ring gear and spider gears there. Axles are pulled. We are just about ready to start doing the re-gear. Everything's looking really good. See if we can get a look at the state of them spider gears there coming out. That actually doesn't look too bad. A little bit of scoring you can see. A little bit of scoring on those spider gears. We may end up recommending doing a spider gear replacement. We are breaking into the rear of my good friend Caleb Schoaf's Jeep. You can tell this is a very attractive rear end. It's got it all nice and trussed up. This is an opportunity to take a look and see what a Lunchbox locker looks like installed if you have not already seen one. We're going to pull this out actually and get a little bit closer to it because we do have to replace this ring gear as well as the pinion gear, which is what the definition of a re-gear is. And we may go to a Lunchbox in the front, but I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of what it looks like installed, and it has had some use. Okay, we're coming along pretty good with the rear now. We just got the carrier out. As I said before, this particular rear end already has a Lunchbox locker in the rear, so we're not going to be replacing any spider gears. We're just going to replace this ring gear and the pinion gear right here. But in case you haven't seen a Lunchbox locker apart before, it's basically just 4 parts, and they're held in by pins and springs. You can see here's the pins right there. And then there are shims that go behind here, go behind these angles here in the carrier, and that's how the locker works in the Lunchbox. You can see here's the free floating top we have pulled out. This will slide up inside there, and there'll be a shim right behind there. Very interesting, very interesting. So obviously no repair needed to any gears as far as spider gears or anything because it's a locker, but we will be replacing the ring gear and pinion gear. His axle tube is looking pretty sweet, so we're just going along good. Okay, ready to rock and roll with the locker back in pretty soon. I'm really glad that we were able to jump in here before he put it back in. Together again. It's almost like we never were here, except for the fresh Pookie looking so good. Okay, new spider gears in the carrier for the front. Very soon we shall have it back in. And there we have the front. Everything is looking super gorgeous. Brand new spider gears. brand new Reassembly, brand new pretty much everything, and it is, I mean, it's gorgeous, and I'm sorry. I just get so emotional thinking about it. Just look at that. Caleb, it's all for you, buddy. It's all for you. Well, I guess that's the end. I want to take a moment to say thank you so much to my good buddy Caleb for letting us work on this sweet machine. Of course, keep your eyes out on the trails for this beast and the streets of Anna, McKinney, and pretty much all of North Texas. Hey guys, it's Trent. Thank you so much for watching this video, turning and burning gears like we were born to do at 4x4WORKS in McKinney, Texas. Please come on by to see me, and we will make it happen for you. And also stay tuned for my other videos. And right on time, there goes the Dodge Viper.